everyone. My name is Evan Riley, and I'm part of Hey Henry, the construction industry's first schedule voice assistant. Can everyone see my screen first off?
Yes.
Perfect. Just want to clarify that all this work happened in the last 2 weeks during the hackathon. Our team had never met each other, and we have 2 videos to show you guys today. And with that, we hope you enjoy our pitch.
Hey Henry, when do we start framing?
The framing and drywall works are expected to start on February 21st, 2020 and finish by the 11th of February 2020.
Thank you, Henry.
Today's construction projects are more complex than ever. Why don't we manage projects better using readily available technology?
Since the Gantt chart was created by Henry Gantt in 1910,
we've been relying on this industry-standard tool to communicate our project schedules and manage our tasks and our time.
But time is all that matters. It affects budgets, schedules, and productivity.
And it takes way too much time to look up information from these schedules that should just be at my fingertips to make informed decisions.
For the 2020 AEC Hackathon, our team came up with a simple yet powerful idea.
Let's leverage a voice assistant to answer questions about our project schedule in seconds, rather than wasting time searching through PDFs and 100-page printouts.
That's why we created Hey Henry. Your project schedule now has a voice. Just say, Hey Henry, and ask your question. For example,
when are we doing demolition works this week?
The demolition works are expected at 9th floor, 8th floor, 7th floor.
Hey Henry enables all of us to have access to our scheduled data in seconds, empowering us to have the information we need to make relevant and timely decisions when they matter most.
Hey Henry, when might your house be completed?
All right, that was video 1, and this is our presentation.
We are Hey Henry. Your project schedule now has a voice. How often do you hear someone say in a meeting, well, did you check the schedule? What does it say? We've heard questions like these all the time. Then when you finally go to look up this information, what do you see? Chaos and information overload. Let's be honest about the problem we are solving here. Schedules are hard to read, and no one has them memorized. A lot of time is wasted looking up this information during meetings, searching through PDFs, squinting at calendars that are posted up on the walls and trailers. This all makes commitments easy to forget and ignore. This information should really be at your fingertips.
Yeah, and the mission for Hey Henry is very simple. It's to democratize the project schedule by enabling project team members to get their questions answered. And our solution is also simple. It's to leverage a voice assistant to answer schedule questions in real time, anywhere, on a mobile device. And the vast majority of job sites have these. So why don't we ask Henry a question? Hey, Henry.
Hello, do you have a question about your schedule?
Where are we doing demolition this week?
The demolition works are expected at 9th floor, 8th floor, 7th floor.
And you see, it's that simple. Seconds rather than spending 20 to 30 minutes asking to find that little piece of information in some 100-page document.
So now let's move on how it works. So we started using the most widely used scheduling software, such as Primavera P6. Hey Henry uses a series of machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms. It starts by voice recognition, where it converts the voice commands that it receives into text. Then natural language processing is used in order to convert these voice commands or the text into entities where it can use to query the back end and the database in order to get the response that you're expecting. One of the advantages of Hey Henry is about the construction linguistics, where was trained in order to understand construction terminologies, in order to query and get you the accurate results.
The future of Hey Henry is a bright one. So first of all, the thing that we want to be able to do is talk back to Henry. So today we can ask him a question and he'll give us an answer, but we want to be able to ask him to change the status of activities in the schedule. So that this means like a bi-directional or two-way communication. The next thing we want to do is be able to ask Henry to do things that normally would require a scheduler with scheduling software and technical training to do things like putting out a 2-week look ahead. And so just using your natural voice and the way you talk to ask Henry to do that is going to be really easy. And then on top of that, right now we are using the Google Assistant, which is great because Henry will be able to understand many languages and dialects throughout the world. But we're also going to bring Henry to Alexa and to Cortana, which are really just going to make this thing a lot more accessible, especially for people that don't necessarily have the Google Assistant. So we're really excited with where Hey Henry is going, and we can't wait to make it more accessible to everyone.
This truly was a team effort. Our development team includes construction industry professionals, a mega project scheduler, a programmer, and project managers. Our team of 10 all work in the field and have access to data sets, which we will continue to build and build quickly. Please join us on our quest to keep needs on track and our projects on schedule.
And that's our presentation.